Today I am going to tell you about LKG math worksheets, mathematics worksheet. It would be a combination of DIY worksheets as well as printed worksheets which you can easily Google and download for the same. I would let you know the topics which you can find out. Later search them, take a printout and keep it ready for your kid. Now, if you have seen my previous videos, you will definitely be knowing that I am always in support of saving paper, and I am the one who thought of making several worksheets on one single sheet of paper. So as you can see, this has already been solved by my son. So I'll just let you know the topics and you can go back and check out the same video which I have posted it earlier. Complete the series is one of the worksheets which you give to the child in LKG. So right from 1 to 10 and 11 to 20, completing the series. Shapes and sides. I have made shapes and I ask a child to write down, count the shapes, count the sides, corners, etc. and write down inside that and also identify the shape's name. So if this is a rectangle, it has got 4 sides, so that has to be written inside it. Similarly for addition, I take simple pictures, give them for addition, and the same has to be totaled, added and written in the boxes given next to them. Count and write, simple counting has to be done, the total has to be written in the box given. So 4 different topics covered in one single sheet on one single side. Complete the series, shapes and sides, addition, count and write. Next is I gave to find the number. Now they are generally taught in LKG from say like 10 to 100. Why do I say 10 to 100? Because 1 to 10 they already learn in nursery. So 10 to 100 is introduced to them. So wherever the child is struggling with whichever number, you can write it on the left hand side and give him a series of numbers whereby the child is supposed to identify the same number which is written on the left hand side. So I have written 10, 20, 30 and the child is supposed to identify the same. Odd one out, whereby children if they are having problem with the identification and recognition, so you can again help them out by making them learn by finding out odd one out. So I have just changed the shaping or something or the other for that particular number and the child is supposed to figure which one is odd. Count and color. I have generally drawn 10 circles and have written a number at the bottom. The child is supposed to count those circles, maybe anywhere random also, and is supposed to circle or color out only 5 or exact number of circles as written as given in the box. This is count and color or shade. Next is match the numbers. On both the sides same numbers would be given. The child is supposed to identify the numbers on both the sides, left hand side, right hand side, and is supposed to match it out. So again another 4 topics were covered: finding out the number, odd one out, count and color, match the numbers. Now moving on towards, so this was DIY. Now I'm going to move on towards the other printouts which I have taken, and even you can get the same, download the same from search and download the same from Google. Now you can see dots are there, so this is basically tracing. Tracing is very important as their motor skills are still developing, the muscle strength is still developing. So tracing is very important. So you must give at least 1 or 2 worksheets for tracing on daily or regular basis to them. So like 1 to 10, a brief recap of the previous class, that is nursery. So this can be given to them. Next is in LKG, the child is specifically supposed to learn from 1 to 100 or say like 1 to 50 first of all has to be introduced. Once the child gets accustomed to the same, can be introduced later up till 100. So you can see write the missing numbers 1 to 50. You can also see that tens place and ones place has also been mentioned, and specifically the numbers have to be written under tens and under ones. So whenever you are making a grid to make the child practice up till 50, that is 1 to 50, make sure you are giving them in the grid of ones and tens. At least they'll know that what is ones, that is ones place, and tens place. So accordingly you can write it and give it to them. Here some of the numbers are missing and others have been mentioned. So the child can start writing 1, 2, 3 is already given, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 0, 10, 1, 0, 10. So if you make the child practice writing in a similar way, it would be easier for the child to figure out ones and tens places once the child is introduced with the decimal value or the same. So in the previous one you saw that some places were mentioned. Now later, once the child is very well versed with the numbers, do not write anything for him or her or for the child, and just give them to write right from 1 to 50. And again I mentioned, try to do it in ones and tens place. Next is write the number and the number name. So you are supposed to write the number, say like 1 to 10 grids have been given, and you have to write the number name also. So you have to make the child practice the number name. So 1 ONE 1, 2 TWO 2. Accordingly the child is supposed to write it down up till 10, and definitely you can increase it further later. Next is what comes before. So you can see what comes before is mentioned. So it's like 5, 6, 23, 24, 38, 39. Accordingly you can give it to the child. Before and after is also taught and is a part of the curriculum in LKG. Again, after, what comes after 1, 2, 13, 14, 8, 9. So before and after is also to be taught to the child. Next is one less, sheet 5, that is circle the number that is one more than the number of objects. So you can see that 5 objects or 5 animals are there, one more than. So one more than has to be found out. Say if it is like 6, if it is 5, so one more than whatever the number is there. So it has to be found out and it has to be done. So accordingly it has to be matched. Circle the number that is one more than the number of objects. Next is count and connect with the right number. 3 balls are there. Again do the matching. 1 umbrella, so 1. 5 cups, so 5. Accordingly the same has to be done. Count and connect with the right number. Giving images is important. Next is count and write the correct number below and color the number of cubes. So cubes have been made and it is designated by the growth of a plant. So until the limit the plant is growing, the child is supposed to count the grid and is supposed to write down the exact number. So count the grid, color also if they want to, and write the exact growth of the plant. So you can see the exact growth of the plant has been counted and it has been mentioned. So if it's like 1, 2, so as per the height of the plant 2, so mention 2 over there. Next is count the objects and color or dab the number. So like here you can see 3 colors are there. So 2 different confusing numbers would be given. The right option has to be selected by the child and it has to be circled. So count the objects and color or dab the numbers, and obviously you have to give options to confuse and figure out that whether the child is really able to find out the same or not. Now before this I had already made a patterns worksheet whereby I had discussed 6 different patterns for kids, kindergarten kids, which could be given to them for practicing for logical reasoning, critical thinking. So you can go and check out that video also. And over here it is again, look at the picture in each row, circle and color the picture that continues the pattern. So you can see there's a pattern. So what comes next? So there's a triangle which comes next. So you just need to circle the same. Accordingly you study the pattern and you do it. You follow the same. So pattern is something which is very, very important, and you must teach your child about the same in lower KG, that is lower kindergarten, LKG. There's a particular figure which has been made. You need to count and write the numbers. Number of circles in the given picture, number of rectangle, triangle, square. My face has how many circles, how many triangles, how many squares. Draw the shapes. My arms are, which shape are of the arms? My legs are of which shape? My body is of which shape? My feet are of which shape? So that has to be mentioned by the child. So count and write the numbers. This is a good worksheet which you can make for identifying or making the child be quite sure about the shapes of which are he or she is supposed to study in this particular picture. Next is Look at each puzzle, draw the missing puzzle piece. So the missing puzzle piece over here, what it actually means is, see, like the number is given at the top, it's 5. 2 of them are already here. So how many other dots are going to come? 3. 3 plus 2 gives you 5. Here 8 is there. So 4 of them are already dotted over here. So again another 4. 4 plus 4, 8. So accordingly this puzzle has to be solved. The first half has, or the second half has been given, and the total number, the sum has to be, is the answer of that puzzle, the remaining. So if it's 1 over here, the number is given is 3. So the basically the child has to count until 3, and 2 more have to be mentioned over here. This is puzzle for the missing piece. Next is a very interesting one, whereby you can see that read the number and draw the picture as per the given number. So if like 7 is mentioned against the strawberry, so how many strawberries the child is supposed to make? It's 7. Balloon 4, so 4 balloons. Flower 3, so 3 flowers. Fishes 5, so 5 fishes, and balls are 10, so like 10 balls. Read the number, draw the picture as per the given number. This is something which I have shown you earlier, but again to make it a bit more confusing for the child, if the previous ones appear to be pretty easy for him or her, then in that case just make the child count whatever objects you have made, and then like you can ask the child to circle the same. So let us count the triangles. There are 7 in number, so 4, 7, 9. The correct option has to be encircled. Next is, you can see different insects, animals over here. So there's a ladybug, there's a butterfly, there's a bee, there's a grasshopper. So how many of them are there and in what number? We need to count and write. Count the ladybug, count the grasshopper, count the number of butterflies, and then write the total at the top. Next is, pictorial addition is a part of LKG syllabus. So whenever you are giving the child to practice addition, make sure you do not give the numbers like 4 plus 3. That is generally introduced in UKG, that is upper kindergarten. Here it is basically pictorial addition which is introduced to the child in lower KG. So like pictures have to be given. So 2 plus 2. The total has to be written, and again you see ones place and tens place. So whenever you give, make sure you make the grid of ones and tens place, and then you are giving to the child, so that child is able to relate to it when you later introduce the same to him or her. Again the same thing, that is count and write the number. Just make different or download different pictures, and you can glue the same, stick the same, and give it to the child for making or keeping the interest level of the child. So basically the child is supposed to learn before, after, and also go and check out the syllabus which I have already shared earlier for LKG, that is PP1 or lower kindergarten. You will get to know what all is covered under math, and I have already covered regarding the shapes thing for the entire kindergarten math shapes patterns I have already shared. So just go and watch out the same. If you are still unaware about the syllabus of the same, so also make sure that you are going and having a look at the entire syllabus what I have shared on my channel. And obviously whatever worksheets I have shared with you, that is, it was a combination of DIY and printouts. So make sure that you download the same topics and keep your child parallelly with all the other subjects. That is, it shouldn't be that the child is doing very good in English but math and other subjects are lagging behind. So make sure it's a combination of all the subjects and the child is getting a scope to do better in all the subjects. All the topics I have given, Google them. You will get several printouts available related to the topics. Download whichever is easier for you, or you can even draw them, whatever I have shown to you people, and just make it possible that your child is practicing the same on daily basis. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care. Happy learning. Happy parenting. Bye.